Google Gemini isn't just for chatting, it can see and read. By uploading images or PDFs, you can extract data, summarize reports, and identify visual elements in seconds. First, let's look at an image. In the prompt bar, click the plus icon and select Upload from Computer. I'm uploading a screenshot of the Spotify web player. Once it's attached, type your request. I'll ask, analyze this screenshot of the Spotify interface. Please list the titles and artists of the first 4 songs displayed under the trending song section. Gemini uses optical character recognition to read the text and visual layout. It accurately identifies the trending category and pulls the specific metadata we asked for, saving you from manual typing. Now, for something more complex, a multi-page financial report. Upload your PDF the same way. We're using Spotify's Q4 2025 update. I'll paste a formal prompt asking for total MAUs, Y/Y growth, premium revenue, and gross margin drivers. Hit enter. A few pro tips. You can upload up to 10 files at once to compare data between different documents. If your files are already in the cloud, you can click the plus icon and select Upload from Drive to skip the download step. Take note, before you can use Drive files, you have to turn the connection on. Click Settings and Help in the bottom left, and then Connected Apps. Find the Google Workspace extension and toggle it on. This allows Gemini to securely access your Drive, Gmail, and Docs. To pull a file from the cloud, click that same plus icon, but this time select Add from Drive. Search for your document. Alternatively, you can just type at Google Drive in your prompt to tell Gemini exactly where to look. That's how you turn Gemini into a data analyst. Whether it's a screenshot of an app or a 50-page earnings report, just upload and ask. If this helps you work faster, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.